Hobby machining with the Koba 49. As I'm making this video more or less to introduce a new venue to the channel, which is basically about firearms and reloading. As a lot of you who've been following my channel for a long time know, I stated a few times that my normal job is I'm a machinist. I have been since I was 19. I'm 55 now, so it's 30 plus years experience in working in a manufacturing environment. In the past, a lot of times if you ever needed to do something, and it depends on where you work and the company's policies. It used to be pretty easy to go and use a little engine lathe or a Bridgeport, and it depends on company to company. And for years I never needed to have my own bench lathe or little milling setup because I could usually get it done at work. But over the past few years, the way the environment and the way companies are run now, that's changed. And fortunately, the small company I work for now, there is a 16-inch engine lathe and a Bridgeport that I can use. And I had a lot of little odd projects that I started getting caught up in trying to, get them done. They wouldn't mind if I come in there on the weekends or my day off, but it's a 45-minute ride to where I work, so it's, dependent on it. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to take the plunge. I'm going to get a bench lathe for the garage and set up a little home machine shop for myself. I've been kicking the idea around for a couple years and did a lot of research, and it's a pretty good outlay. No matter what size you go with, you're going to drop some money. So you do your research. There's a lot of resources. There's a lot of stuff on YouTube. There's a lot of forums. So I took the plunge, ordered a 12-inch bench lathe or engine lathe. So I was going to make a separate channel just to keep the hobby machining separate, so that way I can answer questions and stuff, but the software, and I had all kinds of problems, and I spent almost half a day and got no results, and things didn't work out. So I decided, just with my 2,000 plus subscribers, just to add the venue to the Koba 49 channel. And so, like I said, in my channel update, you'll be seeing videos on hobby machining, and some of my subscribers, really like the idea. So that's where I'm going. And my goal is, like everyone else, I'll discuss ordering the machine, getting it delivered and all that, setting it up, cleaning it up, getting it started. But also, I'll probably do some videos on tools and that, which you don't see. You see people do projects, and but they don't give you the basic skills, because a lot of people interested in this are not machinists as a career path. It's a hobby to them. It's something they learn just out of interest to make parts for whatever. There's some guys are into radio controlled airplanes, and they need some small machines to make components and that for that, and or whatever the reason. I'd like to also make some videos showing how to use the tools properly, how to operate the lathe properly. So there's going to be a bunch of stuff like that coming down the pike too. And of course, a lot of people ask me for like little parts, pieces from these old antique guns, screws and that. Now I kind of will be able to see if I can maybe fabricate parts, like screws, little things. So we can do restoration projects. That's another reason I kind of got the equipment. So I'm just making this video kind of as an intro. I was going to make one for the other channel, but like I said, I'm not very computer savvy, and I've had some problems with software and getting everything to jive and upload. So I'm basically just going to start adding these videos to my venue here, and like I said, I got a good response from some of my subscribers. So I'm just making this little intro to inform everybody, and put hobby machining out there. Maybe I'll get some hits on it and get some new people interested in it. So that's basically it.